a time, a lion lived in a jungle. He was sleeping in the jungle, and suddenly a rat came. He started jumping on him. The lion got angry by this and shouted on the rat, "Roar! Why are you jumping on me? I'll kill you! Roar!" The rat got afraid and said, "Please forgive me. I'll not do this mistake again in my life. Please leave me. Do not kill me. By this, I'll help you once when you are in danger." The lion forgave the rat, and the rat went away. One day, the lion was sleeping in the jungle, and a hunter placed a trap on the lion. The lion started shouting, "Roar! Help! Help me! Anyone help me!" The rat was passing through the way and saw the lion shouting. The rat cut the net, and then the lion was free from the net. Then they both were the best friends. Thank you.